Well, I was diagnosed with early onset of Alzheimer's in Cornwall, and the psychiatric nurse used to come and give me the tablets. He would phone up once a month, and then after he'd finished work and say, "Everything okay?" We'd say, "Yes, no problems. Okay, I'll be round with your prescription." And when he turned up, it was, "See you next month," and that was it. And I saw a GP once a month there. Nothing at all, no support whatsoever. We came here, and because we moved areas, I had to go and see a specialist, and they suggested I went to these memory cafes because I was just vegetating and doing absolutely nothing. Had no conversations whatsoever. It was a yes and no, if you could get that out of me. I started going. I didn't like it. I didn't want to go again after the first week. The second week, not so bad. Now I just can't leave them alone. They've got to go to them. I've got to be there every week if I can. We're lucky we have a vehicle, but there's people out there that haven't, and it's absolutely ridiculous the amount of people that can't get there. There's over 9,000 that aren't getting help, what they need. The services are out there, the memory cafes are there, but it's being able to get to them is the biggest problem we've got. I've set up a charity, Gwent Dementia Community, to help people in Gwent with dementia to get to these places, because of transport is our biggest problem. It brings you out into the community. You go to chat, you talk to other people with the same problems as yourself and other problems. The carers are able to talk to other carers, so they know they're not left on their own and they're not the only one doing this sort of work. What we've got to remember is every one of us is different. We're not all the same. We all need different treatment.